Hello, Pukka people! Welcome to a brand new adventure in the world of food, flavor, and fun. Today, we're diving into the story of a vegetable that's been a staple in kitchens and gardens for generations. Let's shine a light on a true kitchen legend, the humble carrot. It's more than just a crunchy snack or a colorful addition to your plate. It's a symbol of nourishment, tradition, and creativity in cooking. These vibrant orange beauties are crunchy, sweet, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're munching on them raw, slicing them into salads, or blending them into juices, carrots bring a burst of freshness and flavor to every bite. Raw, roasted, or in a warming soup, carrots are everywhere, loved by everyone from home cooks to top chefs. Their ability to transform in texture and taste makes them a favorite in kitchens around the world. They're the backbone of countless dishes: bolognese, stews, coleslaw, you name it. Carrots can be the star of the show or play a supporting role, adding depth and sweetness to savory recipes and even desserts like carrot cake. Carrots add natural sweetness and color, making food look and taste amazing. Their bright orange hue isn't just pretty, it's a sign of the powerful nutrients inside. From Norfolk fields to Marrakesh markets, carrots have fed families for centuries. They've traveled across continents, adapting to different soils and climates, and have become a beloved ingredient in cuisines everywhere. But it's not just about taste. Carrots are packed with nutrition. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your health in so many ways. We've all heard they help you see in the dark. That's thanks to their high beta-carotene content, which your body turns into vitamin A, essential for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. While that's a stretch, there's real science behind their benefits. Carrots can help lower cholesterol, support digestion, and even contribute to heart health. They're a true superfood hiding in plain sight. So, grab a carrot and get comfy. We're about to discover why this simple, affordable veg should be your kitchen staple. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, carrots are easy to use and endlessly adaptable. We'll explore what makes carrots special, how they boost your health, and share easy ways to enjoy more of them. From quick snacks to hearty meals, there's a carrot recipe for every occasion. Ready to celebrate the glorious carrot? Let's get stuck in. Gather your friends and family, and let's make carrots the star of your next meal. It's time to unlock the power of this kitchen hero. Let's peel back the layers and discover just how amazing carrots can be. Let's dig into what makes carrots so special. These humble roots have been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries, and there's a good reason why. Carrots aren't just a crunchy snack. They're a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with vibrant color and natural sweetness that make them a favorite for all ages. The star is beta-carotene, the pigment that gives carrots their iconic orange color. This natural compound is part of the carotenoid family, and it's what makes carrots stand out in any vegetable basket. But beta-carotene isn't just for show. It's a key nutrient with powerful health benefits. When you eat carrots, your body turns beta-carotene into vitamin A, a vital nutrient that supports your immune system, helps maintain healthy skin, and is essential for good vision. Without enough vitamin A, our bodies can't function at their best, especially when it comes to seeing in low light. Carrots are also loaded with fiber, which keeps your gut happy and helps you feel full. This dietary fiber supports healthy digestion, keeps things moving smoothly, and can even help manage your weight by curbing hunger between meals. Every crunchy bite supports your digestion and overall well-being. That satisfying snap isn't just fun, it's a sign you're giving your body the roughage it needs to thrive. Carrots are packed with antioxidants, your body's little bodyguards, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and may even lower your risk of chronic diseases over time. Lutein and zeaxanthin, found in carrots, are especially good for your eyes. These nutrients filter harmful blue light and help keep your vision sharp as you age, making carrots a true friend to your eyesight. Plus, you get vitamin K for strong bones and potassium for healthy blood pressure. These minerals work together to support your heart, muscles, and bones, making carrots a well-rounded addition to any meal. All this goodness comes in a low-calorie, naturally sweet package. Carrots are perfect for snacking, adding to salads, or even blending into smoothies for a nutritious boost, without piling on extra calories. Carrots are honest, simple, and brilliant food. They're easy to prepare, affordable, and available year-round, making them a true kitchen essential. So next time you snack on a carrot, remember, You're fueling your body with real power. It's proper good-for-you stuff packed with nutrients, flavor, and crunch. No arguments there. Let's dive into the fascinating world of vitamin A, a nutrient that's often overlooked but absolutely essential for your health and well-being. Carrots are famous for their bright orange color, but what really makes them a game changer is their incredible vitamin A content. Inside every carrot, you'll find beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body cleverly transforms into vitamin A. This process is like nature's own magic trick, turning a simple vegetable into a powerhouse of nutrition. Vitamin A does so much more than just help you see in the dark. It's a cornerstone of your immune system, helping your body produce white blood cells that fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. When you eat carrots, you're giving your body the tools it needs to defend itself from everyday germs and infections. But that's not all. Vitamin A is also vital for growth and development, especially in children. It supports cell repair, helps your organs function properly, and even plays a role in reproduction. Without enough vitamin A, your body can't grow or heal as efficiently. That's why it's so important for kids, teens, and anyone who wants to stay healthy and energetic. Including carrots in your meals is a simple way to make sure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient every day. And let's not forget about your skin. Vitamin A helps repair tissue, keeps your skin smooth, and gives you that natural, healthy glow. It's like a beauty treatment from the inside out. While some skin creams use vitamin A to help with wrinkles and blemishes, eating carrots lets you nourish your skin from within. The benefits go far beyond what any lotion can do. So by simply enjoying a handful of carrots each day, you're boosting your immune system, supporting your growth, and keeping your skin radiant, all at once. Carrots are truly beauty food, pure, simple, and delicious. They're a snack that works wonders for your body, inside and out. Whether you pick them fresh from the garden or buy them at your local store, carrots make it easy to get your daily dose of vitamin A. So go ahead, crunch on a carrot, share them with friends, and let vitamin A work its magic in your life. Your body will thank you for every bite, and you'll feel the difference from head to toe. Vitamin A gets the spotlight, but carrots have a brilliant supporting cast: fiber and antioxidants. Carrots provide both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol and keeps blood sugar steady. Insoluble fiber acts like a broom, keeping your digestion regular and healthy. A happy gut is the foundation of good health, and carrots make it easy. Carrots are also packed with carotenoids like lutein and lycopene, especially in colorful varieties. These antioxidants fight oxidative stress linked to aging and chronic disease. Eating a rainbow of carrots gives you a wider range of these protective compounds. Antioxidants help you feel more energetic and vibrant. When you eat nutrient-dense foods like carrots, you're building a foundation for lifelong wellness. It's not about quick fixes. It's about real, lasting health. One crunchy bite at a time. Simple, beautiful, effective. Let's talk about carrots' claim to fame: eye health. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which your eyes need to function, especially in low light. Without enough vitamin A, you risk night blindness and other vision problems. Carrots also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your retina and filter harmful blue light. Eating carrots regularly can help reduce the risk of age-related vision loss. So, while you won't get superhuman night vision, your eyes will definitely thank you. Carrots are a secret weapon for your immune system. Vitamin A keeps your body's natural barriers, like skin and gut lining, strong, making it harder for germs to get in. It also helps your body produce white blood cells, the soldiers that fight off bugs. Carrots even provide a boost of vitamin C, another immune-supporting nutrient. Together, vitamins A and C give your immune system a powerful 1-2 punch. Munching on carrots is a simple way to keep your defenses strong. Prevention is the best medicine, and carrots make it easy. Stay healthy, stay strong, just add carrots. It's that simple. Want glowing skin? Carrots are your friend. Beta-carotene, converted to vitamin A, helps your skin renew and repair itself. It keeps your skin smooth, strong, and hydrated from the inside out. Carrots' antioxidants protect your skin from sun damage and environmental stress. Eating lots of carrots can even give your skin a healthy golden glow. totally harmless, and a sign of all those antioxidants. For skin that's protected, repaired, and radiant, just crunch on carrots. It's the tastiest beauty routine around. Who needs expensive creams? Let's get practical. How do you eat more carrots? Raw is the simplest scrub and snack. No peeling needed if they're fresh. Dip them in hummus or yogurt, or grate into salads for crunch and sweetness. Roasting brings out their natural sugars. Just toss with oil and herbs. Roast until caramelized. Add a drizzle of honey for extra stickiness. Carrots are perfect in soups and stews. Think carrot and coriander soup or bulking up casseroles. Don't forget juices and smoothies. Carrot, apple, and ginger is a classic combo. Or blend carrots into your morning smoothie for a nutrient boost. Carrots are cheap, cheerful, and fit into any meal. Get creative. There's no wrong way to enjoy them. Start your day with a carrot and you're already winning. Easy, delicious, and good for you. So there you have it, the humble carrot, your new kitchen hero. Packed with beta-carotene, fiber, and antioxidants, carrots keep your eyes, immune system, and skin in top shape. They're low-calorie, naturally sweet, and endlessly versatile. From raw snacks to roasted sides, carrots make every meal better. They're affordable, available year-round, and loved by all ages. Next time you shop, grab a bunch and get creative. Roast, juice, grate, or crunch. Just enjoy them. Make carrots your new best mate, and let them bring color and goodness to your plate. Eating well can be simple and joyful. Unlock the power of the carrot. Your body will thank you.